Welcome. This short video is going to take you through the configuration of an existing NetBeans project so it can run on a local web server. In this case, we have got the XAMPP web server running, and just to show you the fact that Apache is running here, I haven't worried about MySQL and anything else because we're not using them. So how do we actually get NetBeans to point at the right spot so that when we click on Run it displays the actual application? Well, we do the following. Point to our project, in my case it's sample project 2, come to properties, and this reveals the project properties. Go do a couple of things on this first sources page. First one is to click on browse for the test folder, and we need to find the C, XAMPP, htdocs, development, sample project 2. I created a folder called sample project 2 earlier. This is going to be where we want it to go. Click on open and it points to the right spot. Now if you wanted to, you can highlight this and copy, because we'll probably use the same thing over and over again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the files from our project folder into the test folder. So we can do the same thing. Click on browse, find XAMPP, htdocs, development. As you can see, we're already there. Double click on, just click at that point, click open, and you can see it's going to sample project 2. Now it's got sample project 2 with a space at the end, so what I'm going to do is delete that one because we don't need it. It's going to complain because I've already got the folder set up, but it's not going to worry about that. Click on run. Now this is where we need to do a couple of changes. Project URL needs to be :81, but we also need to note the fact we put them into a folder called development. So we have to make sure we have http://localhost:81 because that's the port we configured our XAMPP to. If you don't have it changed, then just remove the :81 /development /sample project number 2. And that is the configuration. You would then click on OK at this point in time. Now because I've got files in my folder, what I'm going to have to do quickly is just delete these files. Command delete, so just delete. You can tell I'm running on a Mac, so small mistake. Let's just go back to sources, just make sure, yep, that's now OK. Click on OK at this point, and it's all done. Now it does a quick scan, and it probably also be copying those files back in, so I'm just going to go there. And you can see it's actually already copied those files into the test document area. Let's run. So there's the run button. And you can see it's brought up the local host, the web server is running, and it's brought up the web page contents. And that's it. You have now configured an existing project to run on your local server.